Y, there's the TRP operon, and that has the promoter right here. And since the operator is always active, because there's no repressor, the RNA polymerase can make genes, and then those genes when you make genes, they make mRNA, and that mRNA makes these proteins, and then these proteins make tryptophan. And then once there's enough tryptophan, it binds with this protein, making it an active repressor, which then binds with the operator, stopping the RNA polymerase from making mRNA. So these three activators will bind to the additional control element, which then makes it an enhancer. And what that does, it lets the DNA bending protein bind to the DNA, making it then closer to the promoter, which then the mediator protein can bind to the promoter and be enhancer, and then the general transcription factors can also bind to the activators, and the enhancer and the promoter, and then that helps the RNA polymerase bind to the DNA, so that way it can start making mRNA genes. So when DNA makes RNA, it has a pre-mRNA first, which is made up of a 5' cap and intron and exons. And you want to take out the introns because they can't code for protein. So you put in the pre-mRNA into the spliceosome, which is made up of these proteins, SNR and P, which has snRNA and other proteins. And what that does is that it breaks the exon from the intron on both sides, which then the intron is then cut out, and then the exons become together. And that makes now a mature mRNA with a 5' cap, and it has the poly A tail, which helps it leave the nucleus, and then also helps it bind with other ribosomes. The repressor is innately active, which then the RNA it then binds with the operator, making the RNA polymerase carry the genes. But when lactose is present, it binds with the repressor, making the repressor inactive. So then the operator is on, which then RNA polymerase can make LAC-Z gene, the LAC-Y, and the LAC-Y gene. And the LAC-Z gene makes beta-galactosidase, which hydrolyzes lactose into glucose. And the LAC-Y gene makes the perlase enzyme, which transports lactose into the cell. So on the LAC operons, when glucose is scarce, that means CMP levels are high. So the CMP will bind with the cap, which then makes the cap active, which then goes behind the RNA polymerase, which then pushes it to make more mRNA.